Basketball for the third game for the day, 23 August 2024, between the Ticer team, the pink and white combination jersey po headed by Dencio and Renieto and Tabora versus Bulacan Beast headed by Mr. Alacon, Tagadan and company po. Okay po, ito po ha. Ito pang liga naman sikat PLBL Basketball. This is also part of QBFR full of referees. Maraming salamat po QBFR. And again, next game po tayo ay Ticer team versus Beast Bulacan. Ito ang liga naman alamat PLBL Basketball League. Maraming salamat po and now to the ball game.
Baseball naman, coach. Coach, chef, saka. Papunta sa table mo.
Okay, sorry ah. Okay, third game for the day between Ticer versus Beast Bulacan. This is your PLBL Basketball League. We're here live right now sa DMIS Domod International Schooling, Abomor area. Backside po yan ng petrol station and also backside po ng bagong mall po sa Abomor. Ito pa liga naman alamat PLBL Basketball League. Third game for today na between Bulacan Beast versus Ticer. Ayan na si Dencio Pagunasan and company versus Alarcon and company. Okay, first quarter action now. First quarter action between Ticer and Bulacan Beast. The Beast is in.
Number 18.
Okay, the Beast. This game is also part of by QBFR pool of referees. Maraming sana po sa QBFR. Kata basketball. Mukhang mapapalaban dito ang Bulacan Beast. At daunting manpower po. Medyo malalim po ang bench po ng ng Ticer po. Pero we'll see. Tingnan po natin, baka may habol po sa Bulacan Beast mamaya. Idol, Densyo Pagonasan and company versus, of course, in Algabre and Alarcon and company po. First quarter action po tayo ng mga kababayan, mga boss. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League. Okay, first quarter action between Bulacan Beast and, of course, Taisir. Ayan na. And also after this for the first finals matchup between, of course, ang Three Guns Barbershop and also mamaya na po yan after this game po ang Janus Gumetio. Yan po ang available in two flavors, Team Spicy, Team Original. Mamili po kayo, Janus Gumetio. Ito na po tayo ngayon mga kababayan ko. First quarter action. Okay, 10-minute quarters, 10 minutes per quarters po yan. Yun po natin po ito. Will now take now po sa ating committee lang po. Hindi po nagagamit po yung shot lang game block po dito. Tagadan, pops up. Nope, wala pa rin. Okay, 2 points. Bulacan Beast. 2-0 po to, 2-0 po tayo, 2-0. Okay. Wala pa rin po, Team Bulacan Beast po, 2-0 pa rin tayo. Okay, back-to-back field goals na by Bulacan Beast. Okay, back-to-back field goals sa Bulacan Beast, 4-0 po, 4-0. Okay, nagbabalik muli po tayo mga kababayan ko. The score right now is 4-12 all at 4-14 remaining. Pasensya na po sa nangyari po technical po kanina. Medyo naglalag na po kasi pero this they're now live now direct po sa ating FB page po. 12 all ang score. Aldepas, nope. Eto na po tayo ngayon muli. Eto na. Okay. 14-12. 14-12 na po tayo mga boss, mga madam. 14-12 po tayo. Po tayo muna. Okay, ito naman. Nope, it's another 3 pass for the rebound. Okay, the pass, Bulacan Beast on the roll. Algabre, power move. Dumikit. And one play made by Algabre. Bumabalik yata yung dating form na Algabre sa loob ito. Sige, tingnan natin.
Basket is good. Foul committed by jersey number 20.
Okay, Algabre. Okay, the score is 15-14. Laman po ng isa muli ang Bulacan Beast. Bulacan Beast po tayo. Laman po ng isa. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Eto na. Tabora, zigzagging rule. Pasok ang bola kay Tabora. Zigzag po sa Tabora, 15-16. 2 minutes 50 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. The pass. Algabre, traffic. Lumabas muna ni Alarcon. 31. Nope, malakas. 11, 2 points. Okay, 11, 2 points. Algabre, naipin ng konti, wala. Rebound to 16. Albania. Pops up. Wala. Alarcon for the rebound. Alarcon ng Bulacan Beast po. Bulacan Beast. And Algabre! Uy, malakas! Nakuha. Tagar Alarcon! Albania strip away the ball pero may tawag po si referee.
Jersey number 8. Timeout. Tyson. Jersey number 8, that's your second personal foul.
Okay, jersey number 8, that's second personal po. Okay, ito na. Focusing now, focusing. Ba't dito to? Okay. Focusing po tayo, masyadong malayo po kasi yung score. Okay. Yan, para maganda. Yan. Okay. Okay, welcome po muli po sa PLBL Basketball League. Ito po ang third game po today. Pasensya na po kanina, nagkaroon po ng lagging po yung ating ang aming mga mobile and hopefully po we're gonna deliver now the blow account po sa third game na ito between Bulacan Beast in white and Tyser in pink and white combination. First shot ni Alarcon, hindi po pumasok.
This for the charity, jersey number 8.
Second throw po ni Alarcon. Jumpers ready po tayo. Jumpers ready kay Alarcon. Okay, basket made. The score is 16-18 for sure. Lamang po ang, alam mo na. Okay, De La Cruz. Albania. Albania! Malakas! Algabre! Wala! Oh! Stepping on the line. Tumapak ka, boy. Stepping on the line po. 1 minute 10 seconds remaining. 16-18 ang score po natin. Ito po ang pinakamalipit na liga, PLBL Basketball League. Okay, again, Alarcon, nakuha ang bola, Alarcon, the pass, pops up, nope. Ay, Algabra for 3. Bang! Sidin! Okay, lamang na lang muli ang Bulacan Beast. Bulacan Beast now. De La Cruz. Nope. De pass, naka-rebound. Kick pass kay Taki. Quinte pass. De pass. Si Daisy. Balik pumuli po sa Bulacan Beast pa rin ang bola. Bulacan Beast pa rin. May tangan ng bola. Alarcon, humingi ng tao ng foul. Kay Algabre, short stop. Malakas. Okay, eto na. 2-on-1. Tabora, ayun. Nice play. Okay, balik muli po sa kalamangan ang Tyser. 19-20. 7 seconds remaining. Alarcon, driving. Ayun! Goal! Basket made.
Wait lang, sa decision ng referee.
Okay, basket made kay Alarcon. Jersey ni Alarcon, pasok po. Ito po ang liga namang alamat, PLBL Basketball League. We'd like to take the following sponsors. PLBL would like to take the following sponsors. Trijan's Barbershop, Boss Gio Pares, Fashion Culture Qatar, Hookup Qatar, HB Cakes, Imprint Advertising, Jetlogs, JPX TV, MC Cuisine, MC Cargo, PSBQ, Pure Market Groceries, and many more. Some brother ang Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Ito po ang liga namang alamat, PLBL Basketball League. Back to the ball game po for the second quarter. Okay. PLBL Basketball League muli po tayo. Second quarter action po tayo. Bola po ng Tyser. Bola po ng Tyser. Si Mercado maglalabas po ng bola. Mr. Mercado, kaway naman po dito. Oh, hi. O yan, sige yan. Kumuwi nga si Mercado. Okay, Mercado inbounding po para sa tropang Tyser o Tyser. Tyser gate number 2 dribblers. Oh, malaking kampanya Tyser, alam ko eh.
Technical foul.
Uy!
For incomplete uniform.
Oy, may complete uniform po pala. Sa ano? Sa Ticer.
Free throw to be awarded.
Okay, free throws by the pass. First shot. Nope.
House rules, dalawang tira yan.
House rules po, dalawang tira po yan. House rules po, dalawang tira daw po, sabi daw nila. Madam Fe, good afternoon, good morning po Madam Fe. And take care always po dyan sa Oman. Balita ko maganda po dyan ngayon. Dahil kasi maraming puno po dyan. Tsaka may mga bundok po dyan. Okay, ito po.
Second period.
Okay, second period na Mercado for the inbound to number 3 si Arroyo. Kasama po yan, Arroyo. Ayan na. 7, Arroyo. Denso, wala. Number 5 again. Pops up. Bravo, wala pa rin. Rebound, did the pass. Baseball pitch. Nako, na-check siya. Pagunasan. 2 points, Pagunasan. Pagunasan, 2 points. The score is 22-20 po tayo. 22-20 boys. Eto na. The pass. May tanga ng bola. Algabre, pops up. Masyadong malakas ang loop niya. Bravo. Mercado, 2 points again. Eto na, Tyson machine now up and running already. Tyson machine medyo gumagana na po. And the pass still. The pass. Again to the pass. The pass, power move. Alarcon, 2 points Alarcon.
Iba talaga kung sinisumarte.
Good ball, good ball, good ball. Algabre. Pinasa mo na kay Alarcon. Alarcon, may tahan ng bola. Alarcon. Alarcon. Alarcon, 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 Alarcon. Ohoy! Sopta si Alarcon. Ayun si Algabre. Wala pa rin. The pass. The pass. Running shot. Malangas. Tablados 24 po tayo. Calling all po sa next team po natin. Magandaan na po kayo. Foul called. Who's pa rep? Loose ball foul kay Alarcon. Number 18 Alarcon called for the foul. Alarcon called for the foul. Okay, number 7 Bravo shooting for 2. 24 all po tayo. Pops up, pasok. Bank shot, ginawa. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready ni Bravo. Wala pa rin, wala naman yun. Bravo! Palpal ng bahagya. Pagunasan, 2 points. Okay, Pagunasan to Bravo, 2 points po tayo. Eto na po tayo yun, si Mr. De Paz. De Paz for 3. Okay, 3 points De Paz. Binawi kagad, tabla na naman. Take note, wala pong pamalit ang Team Beast Bulacan. They have to be careful sa mga fouls po nila. 7. Arroyo. Wala. Rebound battle. White ball. Sabi. White ball. Okay, white ball po tayo. Pops up again. Short stop. No. Okay, Mercado. To Pagunasan. Pagunasan. Mamadali. Pagunasan. Pops up. Short step. No. De Paz. 2. Algabre. No. Big one. Pagunasan. Good ball. Walang pasa. Mercado. Wala. De Paz for the rebound. Alarcon, number 18. Alarcon. Power move. Tagadan. Foul. Igapura. Nakasabit. Nice sabit play. Nice sabit play po siya kay Igapura. Mag-charge muna tayo bago tayo maubusan ng baterya. Okay, thank you.
Notes to be awarded.
Okay, Tagadan. Tagadan number 25. Pops up. Nope. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Kapos. Pagunasan. May tangan ng bola muli. Pagunasan. Hop. Naipit ng konti. Arroyo. Mercado. 2 points. Mercado. Nothing but net by Mercado. Mercado. Nothing but net. De pass. Nice shot for the pass. 3 points made. Okay, lamang buli ng isa po. Lamang ng isa ang team Bulacan Beast or Beast Bulangan. Uy, bumawi si Bravo. Bravo, binawi nga. This will be interesting. De pass. De pass muli, de pass. Malakas. Pagunasan. Pagunasan. Mercado. Nice stop from behind. Tama, de pass, de pass, de pass. Algabre. Algabre. Algabre, minamadali. Algabre, to de pass. De pass, sa kalusot. Pops up, short step. Nope. Nice steal by the pass. Eto na, 3-on-1. Algab. The pass again. 2 points the pass. Tablado side, 30-32. 32 Sarados. Pagunasa called for the foul.
Foul on jersey number 31.
Foul number 31, the pass. Substitution muna si Aroy, lalabas muna para kay number 3. Pagunasan for the inbound. Okay, si Baginang. Baginang magpapasok si Baginang and si Baginang. Baginang scaling the play.
Jersey number 3.
Pops up. Yes, sir. 3 points again. Jersey number 8 lamang pumuli ng 3 ang Team Ticer. Ticer ang pumuli ng 3. De pass. De pass. Alarcon, tap from behind by Baginang. Baginang. Nice piece of play. Wow. High basketball IQ by Baginang.
Sa limangan.
Di siya sawapang ha. Pero bagkos ha, siya yung mapagbigay. Okay, Alarcon. Alarcon, naipit ang konti. De pass. De pass for 3. Nope. Okay, again, Baginang. On the run muli ang Ticer. Ticer.
Pass ko kasakuran.
Pagunasan.
Pagunasan. Kasakuran.
Kasaguran. Nope. Rebound di Pagunasan. Baginang. 2 points Baginang. Baginang 2 points. 32-39. Ito na nga po sinasabi po natin. 7-point lead already. Down by Ticer. Alarcon. Double team. Algabre. 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 Fadeaway shot. Malakas. Pagunasan. Nope. Again, Baginang, mag-isa. Baginang, 2 points, Baginang. Siyam na po kalamangan po. 2 minutes mark. De pass. Against Pagunasan. De pass. Nope. Pagunasan, de pass, 2 points. 33. 34. De pass again. Back to back 2 points.
Back-to-back basket. Jersey number 31.
Okay, lamang na ngayon ng 5 na lang ang Team Ticer. Ticer, 5 na lang po kalamangan. Pagunasan. Pagunasan, binuhat. 2 points Pagunasan. Sorry. 2 points Pagunasan po yan. 2 points Pagunasan. Pagunasan, 2 points. De pass. Malakas. Alarcon, short stab. Wala pa rin.
Dalawang rebound na.
Baginang. Baginang. Uy! Uy, nawala. Number 1. Wala. Foul on Mr. Alarcon. Alarcon called for the foul. Kaya pala. Pinipigilan. Okay. Mercado shooting for 2. Mercado shooting for 2 po. First shot made. 36-43. 36-44 rather. Second shot, jumpers ready para sa Team Taisir and Team Bulacan Beast. Pops up. Nope. Rebound to the pass. The pass to brother the pass. The pass brothers. Again, recover. Recovery. Great recovery. Tipers. Algabre for 3. Bang! Hindi nga kinakailangan nila. Algabre, 3 points po ginawa niya po, 39-44. 5 po rin kalamangan. Malakas. Mercado, walang pinasahan. Substitution si Albania, pumasok muna. Albania pumasok. De pass to de pass.
30 seconds.
De pass to de pass. De pass. Pops up. Algabre. Tapos. Isa pa daw. Isa pa. Okay. Out of bounds. Balik ko sa Taisir. Punin ng bola. Taisir. Leading now the game by 5 points. 15 seconds remaining. 14 seconds. 13 seconds. 12 seconds remaining. 11. 10 seconds remaining. 9 seconds. 7 seconds.
Down to 5.
Baginang. Wala. Okay, that's it. Halftime po tayo. This is your PFBL Basketball League. Ang liga namang alamat dito sa Qatar. We're here live right now sa DMIS Doha Modern International School in Abu Hamur area in Doha. Ito po, we'd like to thank the following sponsors. Yan po si Trigas Barbershop, Boss Gio Pares, Fashion Culture, Hook Up Qatar, HB Kicks, Imprint Advertising, Jed Vlogs, JPEX TV, MC Cargo, MC Cuisine, PSBQ Basketball, Pure Market Restaurant, Qatar Sublimation, Canopy Vlogs, and Winox Apparel. Ito po ang liga ng mga alamat, PLBL Basketball League. Maraming salamat po, and back to the ball game po tayo, and halftime po tayo ngayon. Halftime po tayo, the score right now is 39-44. Lamang po ang 5. Lamang po ng 5 ang Team Taisir. And after this game po, it will be game number 4 for the day. That will be between Trigas Barbershop and Janas Gometio. First semi-finals match. Game of 3 series po yan. Okay. Within 1 minute, pagsisimula po tayo ng ating second half. Okay, chapter 3 po tayo. Player call. Pass.
The pass. Right over. From behind the back. Rebound by jersey number 16. Here comes number 11. Quick pass to jersey number 18. Kick out jersey number 7. 16. Shot up 10. Nice pass.
Nice passing din. Good.
Pass na may iwan. Tatlong pasis na. Wala pang turnover. Ang Gabre.
2 points sa Gabriel.
Cutting to 5. Then across. Swing again to jersey number 16. Kick out. Beyond the arc. Number 11. Offensive rebound. Wide open. Pass. Defended by De La Cruz. Kick out. Gabriel. Attacking. Quick to jersey number 20. Sorry, jersey number 20.
Alarcon. 2 points.
Simple lang.
Yun, no? Masok mo naman.
Ang basket. Kung naborda. Nabora. The pass. Pass to Adam.
Walang pinasahan.
Veracruz. Behind the back pass.
Nice one!
Nabora. Yung Veracruz, pasing-pasing lang ha. Apat na assist na yan.
Foul called.
Opening by jersey number 13.
May foul po kagad. Tumawag po. Okay. Algabre for the inbound. De pass. De pass may tangan ng bola. Sige po, sige po. De pass.
Down to 5.
Bang bang. Nope.
The pass. To the next one. Jersey number 25. Pass to lang. Hindi nahihiro na yan.
Lost the ball.
Nabora. Unselfish. Kapawilan na yan.
$43.54 muli pong score natin. 11 point lead again. Laman po ng Taisir. Taisir. De pass. Power move. Palpal ni Bravo.
Jersey number 18.
Foul. Jersey number 18. De pass shooting for 2. Number 31. De pass shooting for 2. May grounded. Okay, De pass. First shot ni De pass. Pops up. Nope, wala pa na. Wala pareho. 43-54. Laman po na labing isa muli ang kalabangan ng Taisir. Bravo. Nope. 29. De La Cruz. Albania. Pops up. Nope. Bravo. Foul ni Tagadan.
Jersey number 21.
Tagadan called for the foul. Bravo shooting for 2. Shooting for 2 si Bravo. Bravo. Pops up. Pasok. 44-55. Ang score po natin is 44-55. Pops up against si Bravo. Both basket made. 44-50. 11 muli kalamangan pumuli ngayon ng Team Taisir. Shoutout po daw. Anong quarter, sir? Ano na po, sir? 5, third quarter na po, sir. The pass. And one play made. Sir Sam para sa Kala. Ano na po, sir? Third quarter na po, sir. Between Bulacan Beast and Taisir.
Jersey number 18, that's your second personal foul.
The pass. Number 31. Extra basket. Wala. Lamang po ng 10.
Here comes the Cruz.
De La Cruz. Bravo! 2 points, Bravo. 2 points, Bravo. Tagadan. Tagadan. Number 31. Alcabre for 3. Ayaw. Wag mo na raw. The pass. Nope. Alcabre. Nako, Bravo. 2 points, Bravo. Timeout, Bulacan Beast. Timeout, Bulacan Beast. 4 minutes 46 seconds remaining of the third quarter action. Lamang po is 46-60. Lamang na po ng 14 ang Team Taisir. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Calling all both teams po. Take note po ha, Bulacan Beast po playing without any substitution. Kaya mag-ingat po sila ng konti. Huwag po matakot sa foul. Dahil wala silang pamalit. And also, iwas din po sa injury din po. The pass from Alarcon. 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 The pass.
The pass.
The pass again. Other the pass.
Shot clock 14. The pass guarded well by Bravo. Then shot clock.
The pass. Pops up. Nope. Mercado for the rebound. Bravo! 2 points already. De La Cruz.
De La Cruz pass to Bravo.
Pops up. Nope. Hop! Si Daisy. Bravo. Humingi muna po ng pahinga muna. Nagpapalabas na si Bravo. Medyo pagod na kasi. Okay, Bravo. Nilabas muna. Pumasok muna si number 6. Number 6. El Gabre. Short stop. No. Foul called. Foul Tagadan. Number 25.
Foul jersey number 25.
That's Tagadan.
Pangalawa po, 25.
Pops up. Yun, pumasok din. 46-65. 19-point lead. The pass. Nope. Baseball pass kay De La Cruz. De La Cruz. 2 points, De La Cruz. Okay. The biggest lead so far, 21-point lead over Bulacan Beast by Team Taisir. The pass.
Shot clock 14. Down to 10.
Algabre. Algabre. Pinasa. The pass. Malakas. Okay, foul called. Foul called kay Ramos.
That's your second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Tyson. 2 points, ball 2, jersey number 16.
Okay, 48-67 po. Again, 21 points din pumuli ang Kalamangan. Intercepted by the pass almost.
Dos na yun ha, dos na yun.
Okay, balik pulin po tayo. Ito na. De La Cruz. Pops up. 3 points din. Naka 3 points is De La Cruz. De pass.
Only. Lumalayo ang Tyson.
De pass. Nope. Underman kasi. De La Cruz. Again, one more time. Ayaw. Sabora. 2 points, Sabora.
Jersey number 20 from jersey number 1.
Alarcon. 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 Ay, sayang. Muntik na. Muntik na.
Ball committed by jersey number 1. Tyson is in penalty.
Alarcon. Shooting for 2. Handog po yan ng Winax Apparel, PSBQ, and Pure Market Groceries. Sama na po natin ang MC Cargo at MC Cuisine. Take note pa, meron pong pa-promo po ang MC Cuisine. Kung sino pa pinakamaraming nag-share po sa aming larong ito, mananalo po sila ng 25% off sa meal po, any meal po sa MC Cuisine.
Salvation pass to jersey number 1.
Mercado, 2 points again, Mercado.
Big basketball ang Salvation.
Alarcon. Alarcon mali. Alarcon. Alarcon.
25.
Number 31.
Shot clock 10.
De pass.
20.
Pops up. Nope.
15.
15 seconds remaining.
10 seconds.
Number 8. Short stop. Nope. One more time. Nilabas. Mercado. 2 points. De pass. Okay, standby po tayo sa fourth quarter action. The score is 48-75. A 27-point lead been posted na by Team Tyser. Okay, final quarter. Okay, last quarter na po tayo. Last quarter na po. Okay, last quarter ang dagpunto ng Boss Joe Pares. Baginang. Number 3. Arroyo. Bagunasan. Nako, 2 points. Bagunasan, 2 points. Final 9 minutes, 43 seconds remaining. Sa ating fourth quarter action. De pass. 3 points by De pass.
3. Jersey.
De pass, long 2 para Radot, long 2. Mercado, Baginang for 3. Nope. Arroyo. Wala pa rin. De pass, naka-rebound. De pass. It's De pass. Alarcon, foul call.
Foul committed by jersey number 3. Number 3, Arroyo, that's your first personal foul.
Second free throw ni Alarcon. First chip free throw, hindi po pumasok. Second free throw ni Alarcon. Pasok sana, wala. Tabora at Pagunasan, 2 points.
Easy basket.
De Paz, airball. Good ball, good ball.
Back to Banginan. Pagunasan favorite spot. Unselfish na naman. Mercado.
Alarcon, 2 points.
Yung Alarcon, pasimple-simple lang.
Mercado, wala. De Paz. Nakuha na Algabre. Algabre, nagmamadali. Algabre. De Paz, 2 points. Sige, habol lang yan. 2 points, number 20.
Aboda. Tuloy na.
Alarcon, 2 points Alarcon.
Yung Alarcon, pasimple lang, nakasyang na.
Pagunasan, Baginang,
Banginan. Behind the back pass.
behind the back pass, ayun. Pagunasan, wala. Alarcon,
Pagbibigay kayo.
nangarate ah. De Paz, 2 points De Paz.
Basket kick. Jersey number 31.
De Paz,
Bulacan Beast.
Beast Bulacan called for the timeout. This timeout is brought to you by the following sponsor, Qatar Celebrity Sports Wear by Ziranyada, Hook Up Qatar, Winax Apparel. Teka lang, ano natin? Bosio Pares, Pure Market Groceries, Katanopi Vlogs, Kanopi Vlogs, and Fashion Culture Qatar. Okay. Antayin-tayin lang po tayo. Next game po is the first finals match between Janus Committee versus Three Johns Barbershop. Eto na. Magandang laban to. Atin na yung sakihin ako sa pilong ko. De Paz. Final quarter na. Eto na. Ayun. Nice one. Again. Algabre, long 3. Bang! Si Dave! Kinakalampay, 22 ang kalamangan still ng Taisir. Okay. Mercado. 5 minutes, 3 seconds remaining. Alarcon! Niyo yung bola, pasok!
Ayun na naman si Alarcon. Pasimple lang.
Arroyo! 2 points Arroyo.
Wala.
Algabre, short stab. 2 points Algabre. Para nabuhaw eh. Paano bubuhay sila? Sige, tignan natin. 23 ang kalamang po nila. 2 point. Nope. Okay, chance now. Chance to trim down the lead to 20 points. De Paz. 2 points De Paz. De Paz, nakadalaw na. Arroyo. 2 points Arroyo. Three minutes, 55 remaining.
There's a foul coming by Jersey number 30.
Baginang call for the foul. Okay, platoon substitution po tayo. Tinira lang si Arroyo. Algabre, long 2 again. Bang! Si De, long 3. 3 points Algabre. Okay, lamang na po ng 19. Sige, habol lang yan. 21 muli. Okay, number 18, 2 points. 18. Alarcon. 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 Nawala ang bola. Scapol, scapol, scapol. Naku, nagtipas ang bola. Tipas. Same ball. Alarcon. Dish of pass. Kay Del Pass. Pasok. 31 de pass. 2 points.
Back to the number 3.
Arroyo. Nice shot by number 18. 2 minutes 32 seconds remaining. The pass and 1 play made also.
Basket is good. Ball played by jersey number 5. That's your second personal foul.
The pass. Second first bonus free throw coming up. Eto na, pasok. 3-point play completed. Okay, 18. Lamang na 18 na lang. Reñedo. Number 5, pops up for 3. Tapos, ayun, sa ilalim. Dinukot sa ilalim. Pasok.
Basket on jersey number 18. That's 2 minutes.
2 minutes remaining. The pass.
This 2 minutes is presented to you by Red Boss Restaurant.
Pasok ang bola.
The pass.
The pass, 2 points. 3-on-1 situation. Number 3, 2 points. Number 3, 2 points. Algabre. Algabre muli, napakalayo yan. 3 points again.
From downtown.
Pambira kung PBA ito. Meron siyang 12 mula sa arc lang nun. Gagamitin 4-point play. Cash and shoot, nope. 80-99. Nipit. Relicio. Wala. 3-on-1. Kinuyog. 81-01. 55 remaining. Okay. Algabre again. 3 points again, Algabre. Nakakalima na yan, ha? 83-101. Safety basketball na po tayo. 40 seconds remaining. Number 8. 2 points. Arroyo 2 points. Algabre no to the pass. The pass. Tapos. Okay, game over na po. The final score is 83-103. The winner is Tyser Gate 2 Dribblers. PLBL want to thank the following sponsors: Trigon's Barbershop, Bosio Pares, Fashion Culture Qatar or Sportswear, Hookup Qatar, HB Kicks, Imprint Advertising, Jet Vlogs, JPX TV, MC Car Cuisine, MC Cargo, PSBQ Basketball League, Pure Market Groceries, Qatar Sublimation, Karanoipi Vlogs, Winag Apparel, and Team Teacher League po, PLBL Basketball, the Pinoy Legends Basketball League. Live po tayo po always po na ngayon sa DMIS School sa Abamor area in Doha. We'll be back po for the 4th game for the day between first championship match between Trigon's Barbershop and of course Gianna's Cometio. Maraming sana po yung liga ng mga alamat, PLBL Basketball League. Thank you po. Sir, Ma'am Jean, maglalaro na po ang Trigon's Barbershop versus of course Gianna's Cometio para sa championship match po rin. Maraming salamat po and see you. Yan ha. Yan ha. Okay. Ito, video po ito, video. Yan ha. Yan, sige po. Okay. Wait ha, wait. Game po, Tabora de la Cruz. Sir, mukhang parang sa makina. Ano kaya? Ganadong-ganado kaya? Lakas. Sige.
Gawa lang ng ano na teammates po namin tsaka ng coach.
Okay.
Binigyan po kami ng role, so ginampanan lang po namin yung binigay na
Okay, si Miss. Okay, thank you po Sir Tabora de la Cruz.
yun po, ginaganahan po sa suporta ng mga teammates tsaka din.
Lakas. Sige po.
Ginaganahan po sa suporta ng teammates and coach.
Okay, sige. Anything word pa po, Sir Tabora? Sige.
Shoutout din po sa kalaban namin.
Okay.
Respect. Kasi 5 lang sila pero
Okay, pero ano?
lakas nila.
Okay.
Lalo na kung kompleto siguro
Ah,
sila.
kasi-
Shoutout din sa Infinity Basketball Camp.
Okay, teka lang po kasi ngayon ito ang tanong ko ngayon ito, ano pa po asahan pa po namin sa Tyser sa susunod na laro ninyo?
Yun na po, yung linis na po namin yung teamwork po namin tsaka yung hard work po namin sa loob ng court.
Okay, and De La Cruz, ikaw naman?
Mas paghihigihan pa po namin sa mga susunod po na laro.
Okay, eto na, yun na hintay natin. 1 minute shoutout, Mr. Tabora. Okay, simulan mo na ngayon.
Shoutout sa family ko sa Pilipinas, sa Pangasinan.
Pangasinan naman, saan sa Pangasinan?
Rosales Balunggaw.
Balunggaw, Rosales, okay. Mr. De La Cruz, ikaw?
Shoutout po sa pamilya ko din sa Laguna po, sa Landayan.
Laguna naman, okay.
Saka po yung pamilya ko dito, pati din po yung
Okay, with it po, ito bang Tyser Gate 2 Ball Dribblers? Sige.
Kaya kong lugar sa Muntinlupa.
Ayun, okay, with it po, thank you po, and congratulations for winning the game.
Salamat po.